Have you ever noticed how the person who looks rich is often stressed, while the one who looks ordinary moves with calm confidence? Scroll through social media and you'll see rented lifestyles, luxury vacations on credit, cars financed at high interest, designer labels masking financial pressure. Meanwhile, somewhere in that same city, someone is steadily building wealth. Many millionaires live in modest homes and drive practical cars. They prioritize asset accumulation over image projection. So the real question becomes, are you building visibility or building net worth? In this video, I'll walk you through 10 smart moves to build wealth quietly. Welcome to You're Wealthy. On this channel, we talk about wealth, money, lifestyle, and ways to help you to level up your life. If this resonates with you, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Smart move number 1. Convert income into ownership, not applause. There's a hidden difference between earning money and owning assets. One creates cash flow, the other creates capital. Many professionals earn $100,000 or more per year but remain financially fragile because their income funds consumption instead of equity growth. The wealthy quietly shift focus. They treat income as fuel to buy productive assets. The cultural trap today is performance wealth, looking financially ahead while privately falling behind. Ownership wealth is different. It compounds without needing validation. Ask yourself honestly, if no one ever saw your purchases, would you still make them? Every dollar either builds image or builds infrastructure. When you prioritize ownership, your net worth grows even when you're asleep. And once assets start generating dividend income or capital appreciation, something shifts. You begin thinking long-term. That long-term mindset leads directly to the next silent move. Number 2, let your lifestyle grow slower than your investments. Income growth feels exciting. Lifestyle upgrades feel rewarding. But the wealth gap is created in the space between those two. Many people increase spending almost immediately after receiving raises. A $15,000 salary jump turns into a new car lease, higher rent, and upgraded subscriptions. The financial position stays flat. Quiet wealth builders behave differently. When income increases, investments increase first. Retirement portfolio contributions rise. Brokerage allocations expand. Emergency funds strengthen. In Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin, the idea of aligning spending with values instead of impulses becomes central. Wealth quietly accumulates when lifestyle inflation is controlled. The emotional benefit is powerful. Lower fixed expenses reduce pressure. Reduced pressure increases clarity. Clarity improves investment decisions. If your income doubled tomorrow, would your freedom double too, or just your expenses? Keeping lifestyle lean builds resilience, and resilience becomes critical when markets shift. Number 3, stay emotionally steady when everyone else panics. When uncertainty hits the economy, most people don't lose money because of bad strategy. They lose it because of bad reactions. Fear spreads faster than facts. News cycles amplify anxiety. Conversations become dramatic, and in that emotional noise, rational thinking disappears. Quiet wealth builders train themselves for these moments long before they arrive. They understand that uncertainty is part of any long journey toward financial independence. Instead of reacting impulsively, they rely on pre-decided rules. They don't constantly check balances during downturns. They don't make dramatic lifestyle changes based on headlines. They stay steady. Emotional steadiness protects more than money. It protects confidence. When you remain calm while others panic, you begin to see opportunity where others see danger. You gain clarity while others freeze. The real transformation happens internally. You stop seeing volatility as a threat and start seeing it as part of the process. Stability becomes your edge. Number 4, guard your time like it's capital. Money can be earned back. Time cannot. Yet most people protect their wallets more carefully than their calendars. Quiet wealth builders don't leave their days to chance. They design their schedule around growth. They block uninterrupted time for learning, skill building, and strategic thinking. They reduce distractions that steal attention and energy. In Deep Work, Cal Newport explains that focused effort produces results that shallow busyness never can. Wealth operates in the same way. Small, consistent periods of focused improvement compound into major advantages over years. Consider this. If you dedicate even a few hours weekly to improving your financial literacy, expanding your skills, or building an additional income stream, the long-term impact is enormous. Knowledge compounds quietly. Is your daily routine building your future, or just maintaining your present? When you take control of your time, you stop living reactively. You begin choosing activities that strengthen your earning power and reduce financial stress. When you start controlling your time instead of letting distractions control you, something shifts. You begin thinking beyond immediate rewards and start thinking in longer horizons. Number 5. Think in long horizons instead of short wins. Most people approach money like a sprint. They want rapid transformation, quick results, and visible proof of progress. But quiet wealth grows more like a forest than a firework. Slow at first, powerful over time. Long-term thinking reduces stress. When you zoom out, temporary setbacks feel smaller. Decisions become less emotional and more strategic. When you think long-term, you stop obsessing over short-term fluctuations. You focus on habits instead of headlines. You choose sustainability over excitement. This mindset also changes spending behavior. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this today?" you begin asking, "Does this decision strengthen my future freedom?" That subtle shift transforms everything. Patience becomes a competitive advantage because so few people practice it. While others jump from trend to trend, you remain steady. Over time, steadiness compounds into confidence, and confidence leads to something deeper, a new identity that aligns with wealth instead of conflict with it. Number 6. Become the kind of person who builds wealth. Financial growth is not just a math equation. It's an identity shift. If someone secretly believes they are irresponsible with money, they will unconsciously make choices that confirm that belief. But when someone sees themselves as disciplined, thoughtful, and long-term oriented, their actions begin aligning with that identity. In Atomic Habits, James Clear explains that lasting transformation begins when you focus on who you are becoming, not just what you are achieving. Instead of saying, "I'm trying to save," start thinking, "I am someone who manages resources wisely." Instead of saying, "I hope I'll be financially secure one day," think, "I am building security step by step." You don't need constant motivation. Discipline feels natural. Spending becomes intentional. Planning becomes routine. This internal shift also reduces comparison. You stop competing with other people's lifestyles and start competing with your previous self. And once you stop chasing validation, you unlock another powerful move, protecting your privacy so your progress remains undisturbed. Number 7. Move in silence and protect your progress. Visibility can create pressure. The more you broadcast your achievements, the more expectations grow around you. Expectations influence decisions. Decisions influenced by others rarely align with long-term goals. Quiet wealth builders avoid unnecessary financial display. They don't feel the need to announce raises, promotions, or milestones. They allow progress to accumulate without external commentary. There's a cultural insight worth noticing. In many old money communities, modesty signals strength. Flashiness often signals insecurity. Silence preserves focus. When progress remains private, it becomes easier to maintain discipline. There's no pressure to upgrade your lifestyle prematurely. No need to prove success through spending. Number 8. Build stability through multiple skill sets. Depending on one income source creates vulnerability. Even high earners can feel fragile if their entire lifestyle depends on a single paycheck. Quiet wealth builders expand their skill sets over time. They learn communication, negotiation, digital tools, or specialized expertise that increases their earning flexibility. Some create side projects. Others develop consulting abilities or build small ventures alongside their primary work. Ask yourself, if your current role disappeared tomorrow, how prepared would you feel? Multiple skills don't just create income, they create confidence. Confidence allows you to negotiate better compensation, pursue opportunities, or pivot when needed. And when you feel secure, you begin thinking strategically about building protective layers around your finances, which leads directly to the importance of having a strong cushion. Number 9. Create a financial cushion that buys you courage. Savings are not just numbers in an account. They represent breathing room. When you have a meaningful cushion, you negotiate differently. You tolerate less stress. You make decisions based on alignment instead of urgency. Without a buffer, every unexpected expense feels overwhelming. With one, setbacks become manageable. How would your confidence change if you knew you were secure for months without income? Liquidity reduces emotional pressure. Emotional stability strengthens discipline. Discipline protects long-term growth. A cushion also allows you to take calculated risks, whether it's pursuing a new opportunity, starting something on the side, or investing in self-development. And when fear no longer drives your decisions, you naturally gravitate toward consistency instead of chaos. Number 10. Fall in love with quiet consistency. Wealth built quietly rarely feels dramatic. It's repetitive, structured, almost boring. It looks like regular saving, intentional spending, periodic review, continuous learning, small upgrades in behavior that compound over years. The world celebrates excitement. Financial independence rewards repetition. When you embrace consistency, financial stress decreases. Progress becomes predictable. Confidence grows. You stop looking for shortcuts. You trust systems. You understand that dramatic leaps are rare, but steady progress is reliable. Over time, those quiet habits reshape your entire financial reality. Debt reduces, savings grow, options expand, and that is the ultimate transformation. Building wealth quietly is not about hiding success. It's about prioritizing substance over spectacle. Imagine waking up years from now with reduced stress, strong savings, flexible income, and real freedom of choice. No noise, no drama, just security. Move with intention, build with patience. Let your results speak when they're ready. If this video resonated with you, don't keep the knowledge to yourself. Like the video, subscribe to stay updated, and share is a step toward building a stronger community of growth-minded people. Be part of it. I'll see you the next one.